Banana cake. Bananas. Banana.
Okay, I got my batteries right here. Let's open this up. Let's start with it. It's very light. It's not that heavy. Yeah, light. Look at that. Look at that. Three AAA batteries. Nice. You guys ready? Let's turn on. How does that look? How does that look? How does that look? I got a lot of light here, so it might not look that great. Here, how's that? How's that? Let's go Niners, huh? Sorry about the background noise. My son, he's complaining. Here is no light, and here is with the light on. And no light. Light on.
Banana cake. Let's go Niners.
That's right. You like it?
Yeah.
Who's your favorite team?
Banana.
Okay.
So light 'em up, light 'em up, light 'em up. Banana cake. Let's go Niners.
Let me see. Show me. Who is your favorite team?
Bananas. Bananas.
Nicole, what's this?
Banana.
How you like it, seeing?
Yeah, it's good.
Ooh, so bright.
Yeah, it's so bright.
You like it?
Yep, I like it, Dad.
Okay. So did it work as advertised? And the answer to that is yes. It worked as advertised.
Okay, okay, okay.